Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Join me as I make my quick and easy coconut rice. Let's begin. In my pot here I have approximately 3 cups of rice that has been washed. I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk as well as 3.5 cups of water. Remember now, it's 3 cups of rice to 4.5 cups of liquid. That's how we're going to get the best texture rice. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 teaspoons of salt. And no, I don't use butter in my rice. Alright, so we're going to turn on the stove, put it on high flame, cover it and cook it until majority of the water has been absorbed. So right here, majority of the water is gone. So we're going to cover it back and cook it for close for about 20-25 minutes without removing the cover. And then after that, we're going to fluff the rice. It has now been 25 minutes, guys. So I'm now going to fluff. Look at that texture. Man, so that's my quick and easy coconut rice. This rice here goes with anything. Curry chicken, brown stew chicken, pork, stew peas. Very good with stew peas. Yeah man, so that's it guys. That's how I make my quick and easy coconut rice. Look at that. Yeah man, so thank you so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Also share it with your friends and family. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in my next video guys.